Welcome to our home kitchen showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison of two countertop ice makers, the Electactic ice maker and the Typhur Nugget ice maker. If you're in the market for an ice maker, you've likely come across these two models. The Electactic offers a budget-friendly option with quick bullet ice production, while the Typhur promises premium quality with its soft, chewable nugget ice. In this video, we'll break down their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to ice type, the Electactic ice maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly, but may not be as enjoyable for those who prefer chewable ice. On the other hand, the Typhur Fast Nugget ice maker specializes in producing soft, chewy nugget ice, which is often favored for cocktails and iced beverages. This difference in ice type can significantly influence your choice depending on your ice preferences. Price is a crucial factor when choosing an ice maker. The Electactic ice maker is priced at just $89, making it an excellent budget option for those who need ice without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Typhur Fast Nugget ice maker comes with a premium price tag of $359. While it offers advanced features and superior ice quality, the higher cost may not be justifiable for everyone. It's essential to consider what you're willing to invest for your ice-making needs. Daily ice production is another critical aspect to consider. The Electactic ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is suitable for small gatherings or personal use. However, the Typhur Fast Nugget ice maker takes the lead with a capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it an ideal choice for larger parties or frequent entertaining. If you often host events, the extra capacity of the Typhur may be worth the investment. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Typhur ice makers have their unique strengths. The Electactic is perfect for budget-conscious consumers seeking quick and easy ice production, while the Typhur caters to those who prioritize quality and capacity. Depending on your needs, one of these machines could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.